This is science for Thursday. Some of you are saying there's some issues, so I want to review over how to do this. So one thing you have to do is, you'll see it's interactive. You have to click on launch to start us off. And it's going to bring you into a new page. Alright, we have to follow the directions it shows. Alright, it says to view specimen under the microscope, click the slide box to select the slide. So you have to kind of go around and figure out where the slide box is, and it's actually right here. This is a box of things we call slides. So I click the slide box, and here's a slide. I'm going to drag it over to the preparation mat. Look at that, it's all in. Now it says to choose a specimen and drag it on the middle slide. Specimen could be human cheek cells, it could be human bone cells, could be onion cells, it could be human blood cells. Alright, so I'm going to choose the cheekbone cells. So I'm going to take that. I had to drag it into the middle of the slide. Boom. Alright, so I slid it in. It says you chose to view human cheek cells. To view the human cheek cells, they have to be processed. Click the processing equipment on the shelf and drag the dropper to the specimen. So here's the processing equipment. Boom, we clicked on it. Here's the dropper. We're going to bring it over. And boom, dropper's in. Now it says to click on the cover slips and drag the cover slip over the specimen. Here's the cover slips over here. Click on the cover slip. Click on the cover slips, and I'm going to drag it over. Boom, and it's going to go right to my microscope. Alright, so microscope, it says light microscope shows cells different. Magnifications by itself. The eyepiece magnifies the image 10 times. On this microscope, there are 3 objectives. Mouse over the microscope to help you find the objectives. So here's a fine focus. This is a coarse focus. These are what we call objectives. Alright, so objectives are here, and it's going to give you, each objective has a different amount of magnification. On this microscope, the low power objective magnifies 4 times, medium 10 times, and high power 40 times. So low, 4, medium, 10, high, 40. To figure the total magnification you're looking at, multiply the magnification of the objective times the magnification of the eyepiece, which is 10. For instance, if one eyepiece had a magnification of 7 times, our low power had magnification of 3 times, the overall magnification would be 21. Our low power is 4, our eyepiece is 10, so that would be 40, so you know. You can rotate the objectives to change the powers or magnifications. The magnification of just the eyepiece will not change an individual microscope. On the eyepiece has a magnification of 10 times, like I just said. Low power is 4, so the total magnification will be 10 times 4, which is 40. So then I want you to do the magnification of the medium power, which is 10, and the high power, which is 40. Before you go to view the specimen, make sure you know where the coarse and fine focus knobs are. Here's the coarse focus. Here's the fine focus. You will use these throughout the activity. You will also want to know that the objectives that are on the revolving nose piece, clicking on an objective will allow you to change the amount of magnification or power. So I'm going to click over. In this activity, you will need to enlarge the microscope and then click to an objective to change to another power. Explore the parts of the microscope to the right and use your mouse so that you will know where all the parts are located. Click the stop button below when you are ready to view your specimen. Alright, so I'm going to click on here, and it's going to allow me to view my specimen. And now I can see, and I can actually change difference up. So here's my focus knob, here's my fine knob. So if I want to change, and click on different things, and start focusing in using my coarse focus, and using my fine focus. Alright, so we can keep doing these things and helping you out for this science experiment. Please note that if you are using an iPad, you're going to experience issues with this, so it's not going to work out as well. Alright, it works great on old iPads, it works great on computers, however, it does not work so well on the newer iPads, so you might have to use a computer for this one. Alright, just want to help you out.